Hello students, so in this video we are going to discuss this question, integrate the function. We have to integrate this function, means we have to integrate this function with respect to x. So this is 1 divided by x minus x cube. So first step in this question we can write this as, I can write this as 1, and in like denominator I can take x common. So first step to it will be like this. So x common I can take and it will be 1 minus x square. Okay. Further, if we are trying to simplify this, so I can write this as 1 divided by, this is x. So x, so it will be as it is, and 1 minus x square I can write as 1 square minus x square, a square minus b square formula. Using a square minus b square formula, I can write this as x minus 1 minus x and 1 plus x. So this is like and dx, correct? So we can write in this way. And now since this is 1 divided by x into 1 minus x into 1 plus x. So in this type of question, you know how we are doing. In this type of question, we are writing the inside part, we are trying to simplify. See, any of this type of formula we don't know. We know in this form, we know only one formula, this formula. Integration of 1 upon x dx is log of x plus c. We know only this formula. So obviously this function 1 divided by x into 1 minus x into 1 plus x, we have to convert something in this form. And this form is possible if we are like breaking this as. So what I mean to say? I mean to say this I am trying to convert something in simplified form. Simplified form means a some constant divided by x plus b some constant, b is some constant, a is constant, b is constant, divided by 1 minus x, and then plus c some constant divided by 1 plus x. So we will convert this function in this form. A upon x, a is some constant, b is some constant, c is some constant. So if we want to convert in this form, means we have to find the value of a, value of b, value of c. That is the difficulty, correct? So to get the value of a, b, c, I will simplify this further. So left side though is already simplified, so I will write as it is, x into 1 minus x into 1 plus x. Right side if we are simplifying, so LCM will be x into 1 minus x into 1 plus x, and this will be a, so a into 1 minus x into 1 plus x, a into 1 minus x into 1 plus x, we know this, plus b into so b is 1 minus x, so other two will get multiplied, x into 1 plus x, so b into x into 1 plus x, and similarly c will be c into x into 1 minus x. So I will write, so plus c into x into 1 minus x, okay, c into x into 1 minus x. So if we will simplify this further, so this denominator, if you will see, this will get cancelled. So I am removing, obviously this will get cancelled because this is same na, left side or right side, so this can we can cancel. So I am removing this further. So left side it is 1, and right side if I will simplify this, the a involving, like why we are solving this, so we are solving this to get the value of a, b, c, because if we will get the value of a, suppose a value is 2, so 2 upon x, integration of 2 upon x we can do easily, 2 will come out, and 1 upon x dx integration will be log x. Similarly for this, suppose we got some value of b, suppose we got some value of c, so to get the value of a, b and c, we are doing these steps, okay? So make it clear in your mind. So just I am going to simplify it, and 1 minus x into 1 plus x will be 1 minus x square, correct? And then plus b, and x into 1 plus x will be x into 1 x plus x into x, x square, and plus c into x minus 1 minus x, means x minus x square. Now if I will do this, then a into 1 a minus a into x square plus b into x plus b into x square plus c into x cx minus c into x square cx square. Now what I can do? Left side so it is 1, only constant term. Right side we are getting some x square term, some x term, like bx means term of x, and a, that is constant. Okay, so I will separate. In right side I will separate x square term, x term and constant term. Okay, so I am going to do this. So I will just erase this step. Okay, because this step we know. Okay, that we will put the value of a, b and c. Okay, so here I am writing left side it is a, 1, and right side it is a is constant, so I will write a plus x term is this, x term is this, so 2x term, so I will write plus b plus c. Correct, so b plus c into x plus x square term is this, is x square term, this is x square term, this is x square term, so I will write x square means x square is common, so first bill is minus a, so I will write minus a plus b minus c. I will write as it is. Now this is compared, so I am erasing this. So left side if you will see, left side is only constant term, no x term, no x square term, so no x term means x coefficient is 0, x square coefficient is 0. It means I can say, and this constant term, so constant term will be equal to 1 constant term. Correct, so it means, or for your simplicity I can write left side as 1 plus 0 into x plus 0 into x square. Correct, and right side it is a plus b plus c into x plus minus a plus b minus c is equal into x square. So ultimately if you will compare the coefficient, so a constant will get compared with 1, so a value directly we got as 1, and then you will compare x coefficient, so x coefficient left side is 0 and right side is b plus c, so obviously b plus c will be 0. Correct, so if b plus c is 0 means b is equal to minus c. Now we'll solve this using, and x square coefficient left side is 0 and right side it is minus a plus b minus c, so it means I can say minus a plus b minus c is 0, and we know value of a is 1, so I will put the value of a as 1, so minus 1 plus b value is minus c, so instead of b I will put minus c. Okay, minus c, so it means here I will put b as minus c, so minus c and one more minus c, so minus c is equal to 0. If I will simplify this minus 1 I will send right side constant, so left side it is minus c means minus 2c, and right side is 0 plus 1 1, so if I will simplify, so c value I will get 1 upon minus 2 means minus 1 upon 2, and if c is minus 1 upon 2, so b is just minus I will multiply, so minus if I will multiply means b value will be 1 upon 2. So ultimately we got a value as 1, b value as 1 upon 2 and c value as minus 1 upon 2. So what I mean to say, this function I can break into that a upon x, b upon 1 minus x and c upon 1 plus x. Okay, so this ultimately will get derived in this form. Okay, I am writing in next slide. Okay, so this will be ultimately like this. Suppose I am erasing this thing because we already got the value of a, b and c, so just I will keep that value. Okay, so ultimately integration will be something like a, it was, if you remember, a upon x, so 1 upon x, correct, and then 1 upon x dx. Correct, obviously this will get converted into a upon x plus b upon 1 minus x and plus c upon 1 plus x. So I will write in that form first for your understanding. I will write this as 1 upon x plus b means b is 1 upon 2, so 1 upon 2 divided by 1 minus x, okay, and plus c. So c value is plus means minus, so plus minus minus 1 upon 2 and it will be 1 plus x. You can see here, correct, I wrote the same thing, okay. So this will be like this. So this is dx. Now I am erasing these values because we have already noted down, okay. So now if I will separate, so this will be separate integration 1 upon x dx, and then separate integration for half, so half to will come outside and it will be dx upon 1 minus x, and then minus half will come out and then integration of dx upon 1 plus x. So if I will integrate, so this will be 1 upon x dx is log of mod x plus half log of 1 minus x, and then minus half log of, here minus will come because 1 minus x, so minus 1 will come here, okay. So minus means this will become minus, okay, and this will be minus log 1 plus x, 1 plus x, okay, and then plus c will come, okay. Now if you will simplify this using the log rule, so minus 1 upon, correct. So suppose I am multiplying here I am taking 1 upon 2, I am multiplying and dividing, okay. Why I am doing this? So that I can take common, I can take half common because half is there, so half I can take common if half is also there in the first step. So I am just multiplying and dividing with the same. So what will happen? This 2 will come m log a, so log a to the power m, so this will go to the power, means this will become x square, correct. And these two term if you will see, now first I will take common, so half I can take common. So if half I will take common, so this will be something like half, and in bracket it will be log of mod x square minus log of 1 minus x, log of 1 minus x, and minus log of 1 plus x, log of 1 plus x, correct, bracket plus c. Now if I will simplify, so half, and this if you will see minus minus, so if minus you will take common, so this will become plus, correct. Or you can say this is in minus, so you know log a minus log b will be log a upon b, correct. And again if you I will see minus log c, so this will come log a upon bc, correct. So that I will use, correct. So this is like log property. So log property, using the log property I can write this as log x square will be numerator, and denominator it will come 1 minus x and into 1 plus x, correct, mod plus c plus c. If log x square upon 1 minus x into 1 plus x, a minus b into a plus b, using that formula I can write this as 1 minus x square. So this will be our final answer, correct. Half log x square divided by 1 minus x square plus c, this will be our final answer, okay. So I hope you understood. If you have any confusion in any step, then comment in the comment box. Thanks for watching.